guys. Na-board kami ngayon. So, tignan nyo kasi yung panahon namin, guys. Yan parang uulan. So, kaya dito kami sa labas kasi boring. Kaya mainit, guys. Lumagay kami ng Arctic fan doon yon. And so sobrang init talaga ito, guys. Ayan, asa na yun? Ayan, guys. Ayan. So tignan yung dalawa. Diba? Silang dalawa. Kami naman dalawa. Pinsan ko pala siya. Pinsan. Uy, guys, pwede mag-subscribe kayo, guys, please. Tsaka mag-like, comment, and share. At guys, pag subscribe nyo kami, at like, follow, and share, and comment, ifa-follow ko kayo, and comment, and share, and wala. Follow, comment, share. So, thanks lang guys pag ganun. Please lang guys. Please. I-search nyo akong Liberty London. Janisa Asuma. Yun. Dalawa yung i-search nyo. Please lang guys So, wait lang guys. May magic up. Lang nga yung panahon namin guys. Kaya ako ba? Okay. Yan yung panahon namin. Yun, diba? Kasi guys, wala kami naglalagaw kasi tingnan nyo ang puti-puti namin. Malinis pa yung ngipin. Hindi yan filter. Hindi yan filter. Wait lang. Sa walang filter. May filter kasi to. Ayan, hindi yan filter guys. Yeah. Wait lang. Ipapakita ko po namin sa inyo ang totoong mukha namin. In 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Ayan. Yan na yung kamay namin. Yan, wait lang. Wait lang ako mauna. Hindi yan ha. At yung tip namin malinis. Ayan. Goodbye guys. Wait lang. Please lang po guys. Subscribe and share, comment, and likes. Follow, share. And subscribe, please. Love you so much. Bye. So, bye-bye. Comment nyo na lang ha. Bye-bye.